take you guys with us, right? Thank you guys for always liking, sharing, subscribing. We love you guys so much. Flip the camera. I'm sure you don't like it.
We're here.
So this is where we're at. There's a fabric store here,
But we can't.
so there's a fabric store here. I don't know which floor or what, wherever it is. I'm gonna have to search. I've never been here before, so I'm gonna go and look. There's a Pings over here.
What's a pink?
Pings fabrics that sell fabric store. So I'm trying to get the fabric to the material to for baby girl's school uniform.
No.
So I'm gonna go and search. We're gonna go and search for that right now.
Can we take the elevator?
Oh, you wanna go in the elevator? She wants to go into the elevator, y'all. So let's see.
Yeah. We'll tell you guys if we find it.
If you made it this far in the video,
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe.
Ring
You
that
hear
bell
that?
and share.
Like and subscribe, guys.
To be a period baddie.
No. He said down in the corner. Hold on. Down in this a dark place. I wonder if him tell me right place. Oh, it's right here. I was wondering. Down here so smell like cider. Push, baby, push. Yeah. Go. Oh, snap. None of this. That's not it.
This feels like it. This feels like it.
Another kind of material they do. This is not what it is.
Stop, wait a minute. The way you move that girl, you done got my heart all in it. And I just wanna be with you tonight. Girl, please, I'm a player, yeah, it's true. But I changed the game for you. I wanna see what it do. Can I be for real? This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. So let's dip up out of here. Ooh, you're just my type. Everything's so right. And I just wanna cheer. So let's dip up out of here. Let's dip up out of here. She's fine too, but I want you. She's fine too, but I want you.
There's cushion covers and other stuff in here. What? Plain cotton. What is this? Oh shit. Oh, a pound. See, there's something here going at the bathroom and stuff. See candies on it, so maybe it's something for candy. Don't touch it.
Oh, it says pull.
In the mirror. Thank you.
Give me the.
You want to carry that? I will carry this. Let me open. Go on. Alright, let's walk around this side. Where is it? party store over here too. Where? Press that, yeah. Since you wanna ride the elevator, come. Look that way now. Why are you scared? We're moving. Look at my girl. Come. Go. Which way you wanna go now? We're taking the stairs to go back down. I hope you know that. What's around there? Come. No, down. First down. Yeah. Look at my child. Press G. No, G. Yeah.
G means ground.
Mm-hmm. Look at the... Hey.
Oh. We're here. Oh. I feel like I'm
Look at you with that. Hey. Hey. Wait. I'm like a 5. Yeah. Come. Come. That's my girl. High 5, baby. Hey.
That's not your first try.
See how you use one?
I'm a girl, leave me.
What she said? What she said?